Samsung is bringing the Galaxy S25 Ultra with a redesigned body, thinner bezels, and possibly support for satellite connectivity. We also heard it will be exclusively powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, Skyping the Exynos version, and while this latest leak doesn't really confirm that, it shows the kind of performance we can expect. A Galaxy S25 Ultra unit was benchmarked on Geekbench, giving us its first CPU rating and telling us more about the chipset. The listing revealed the CPU will have 2 cores clocked at 4.2 GHz and 6 more running at up to 2.9 GHz, which is a major upgrade over the predecessor. The phone gained over 3 million's benchmark score.